Hello and welcome to the Savera. This is Tinkle before you. The Supreme Court on Tuesday told the Centre and National Testing Agency, the NTA, that if there is any negligence in conducting the NEET UG 2024 exam, it should be thoroughly dealt with. Giving observation, a vacation bench of Justices Vikram Nath and SVN Bhatti said that if there is a 0.001% negligence on the part of anyone, it should be thoroughly dealt with. All these matters ought not to be treated as adversarial litigation. The bench told counsels appearing for the Centre and NTA that children have prepared for the exams and we cannot forget their labour for preparing these exams. It told the Council of NTA, the National Testing Agency, that as an agency which is conducting the examination, it must act fair. If there is a mistake, say yes, this is a mistake and this is the action we are going to take. At least that inspires confidence in your performance, the top court told NTA, while adding that it expects timely action from them. Aspirants have raised the issue of leakage of question paper, awarding compensatory marks and anomalies in the question of national eligibility cum entrance test undergraduate, the NEET UG of 2024. The apex court, while hearing fresh petitions relating to the alleged paper leaks and malpractices in the NEET UG 2024 exam on May 5th this year, issued notices and sought a response from NTA within 2 weeks. It has tagged these pleas along with several petitions pending before it and posted them for hearing on July 8. Several petitions were filed in the apex court seeking direction to recall NEET UG 2024 results and to conduct the examination afresh, alleging paper leakage and malpractices in the test held on May 5. Last week, the NTA told the Supreme Court that the scorecards of 1,563 NEET UG 2024 candidates who got grace marks to compensate for the loss of time suffered while appearing for the exam will be cancelled, and students will have to have a chance to reappear for the exam once again. Exams will be conducted on June 23rd and results of the same will be declared before June 30. As the apex court had already refused to stay the counselling of NEET UG 2024. The NEET UG examination conducted by the NTA is the pathway of admissions into MBBS, BDS and Ayush and other related courses in government and private institutions across the country. Well, that's all for now. For more major updates, stay tuned to the Savera.